We're doing a bat inspection right now, and we just found a woodpecker at the top of the house. Just sitting there sleeping.
Hi, I'm LL Trapster with AllStateAnimalControl.com, and today we're doing woodpecker control work. So here we are at a house in Idaho, and this house is literally like completely all wood, and so it attracts woodpeckers like crazy. So at this woodpecker house, we've been placing reflectors around the house to help deter the woodpeckers away, and then also we have a taste deterrent that we've been spraying around, and then on every woodpecker hole or damage that we see like this, we have been putting these metal patches over it so the woodpecker can't continue to create a hole. So here at this house, the woodpeckers are drilling up here, and there's some screen behind this wood, and they're also drilling through the screen. So because you can see the screen, but some of the screen drilled through by the woodpeckers. And then it allows bats to get in there and then the roost into your attic. And then you're going to have woodpecker and bat problems. Like little holes, and that can help other bugs, other bats, mice, anything like that to get into the attic of the house. So you really want to take care of that before it takes care of you. Thank you.
Ooh, don't cut yourself.
That's scary. Hello.